Have you ever been faced with the challenge of typing again already typed documents? For example, you have a document that you have typed already, or someone brought to you a document that has been typed, but there is a need for you to type it again because you don't have soft copy of that document. What do you normally do in this situation? Do you go ahead, type it all over again, or do you have a way to do it? Sit back, because in this video I am going to share with you how you can get your document typed by an app without having to type it all over. If this is the kind of video you would like to watch, please follow me for more. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will see more of this type of video. If you are ready, let's get started. Now, the very first thing I will do is to go to my app and get this software that will help me to do this. What is the name of the software? I am going to use a software known as Google Lens. Once you type Lens, you will see a list of other Lens, because it's not only Google Lens that can do this, but you can see others, something like Microsoft Lens and the host of other scanners. But we don't want the one that can scan only as image, but the one that can scan as OCR, object character reader. So I will click to open Google Lens because I've already installed it. So the next thing I will now do is to click on snap, to snap the object, that is to snap the document that I want to scan. Once I click on snap button, it will snap because I have to measure it very well to make sure that I get it. Now, the image has been snapped, but there's a possibility for me to scan and highlight only the text. As you can see, I just highlighted it as a text. Once I do that, I'll click on copy. This copy, I'm copying from my phone. I can now transfer it into my document using any means, like I can use my Gmail, I can use WhatsApp, or any other platform that can enable me to transfer this file from phone that I used in snapping it into the computer. And this will reduce the tedious work of retyping an already typed document. Remember, when you do this, there might be need for you to do some editing. Look at it, I'm transferring it through WhatsApp. As you can see, this is the document, and it is well highlighted. So, but in some cases, you might just do little editing just to get everything all right as it is in the original document you are scanning it from. Again, I can also send it directly to my notepad because my computer is mirrored with my phone. If you would like to learn how I mirrored my system and my phone together, please comment on the comment section and I will show you. Indicate by saying, teach us how to mirror phone and computer. As you can see, every activity that I'm doing on my phone will be showing on my computer because I have mirrored them together. I hope this video is helpful. If you enjoy it, please like and share it with your loved one. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Until next time, keep learning. Bye for now.